The Wicklow Mountains National Park, often referred to as the Garden of Ireland, is a haven for those who cherish the beauty of nature. The park welcomes visitors with its captivating vistas, verdant forests, and serene lakes. The diverse range of plant and animal species that call this park home contributes to its status as a thriving ecosystem. Whether one is embarking on a leisurely hike, paddling along the water in a kayak, or simply relishing in the tranquility of the surroundings, the Wicklow Mountains stand as an ideal destination for those seeking respite. In the charming city of Galway, a harmonious blend of vibrant cultural heritage and untamed natural beauty can be found. This city serves as the portal to the awe-inspiring wild Atlantic Way, which stretches over a vast expanse of 2,500 kilometers. Along this coastal route, travelers are treated to a visual feast of Ireland's rugged western coastline, from the iconic cliffs of Moher to the peaceful sands of serene beaches. Ireland's dedication to organic farming goes beyond just livestock, encompassing fields of organic fruits and vegetables grown using sustainable methods. The local farmers' markets showcase a diverse array of fresh, organic produce, supporting the local farmers and providing the community with delicious options. The tranquil lifestyle in the Irish countryside offers a peaceful environment where people coexist harmoniously with nature. Strong community ties and a slower pace are hallmark characteristics of rural life in Ireland, with cherished traditions passed down through generations. The rich Irish culture, deeply rooted in community and tradition, is celebrated through lively music sessions and festivals that bring people together in joyful harmony.